Hi, I'm Shohei. I'm play Drinkerman. He names Bakas.
Hi, I'm Akira. I play his girlfriend. She name is. Her name is Sadako.
Hi, my name is Takayuki. I'm narrator. My name is Max.
My name is Shunsuke. I play boyfriend. Name is Sagawa. The drama title is Takayuki. Let's enjoy.
This is United States of America. Naoya took an airplane flight to America. This story is happened to Naoya at the station. During his stay in America as a student one day, Naoya was waiting the train at the subway.
Oh no, there's no trains coming here. I have waited 10 minutes more. Oh no, how I long waited.
Then train was and he's getting the train.
Oh no, the seat is not empty, kids. Oh no.
So now Yags tried to get another rolling stop.
Oh, there's empty seat here. Oh, excuse me. May I sit here? Okay. Thank you. Oh, what a beautiful, pretty room here. Yeah.
This voice from Naoya's heart.
Wait. May I report possibility this woman is a Japanese?
Excuse me.
It's your job.
Are you Japanese?
Oh yes, I'm Japanese. Yeah.
Then drunk man coming.
Very?
Yes.
Today is home party. I am not of very drink alcohol. Oh, sorry. Oh, beautiful woman. Oh, I am fucking me.
Wait. Where are you here?
Fuck you.
Are you okay?
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, never mind.
Train is boarding at Chicago. Train is boarding at Chicago.
Oh, I have to go to this station. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
See you.
Bye.
The next day, Naoya is waiting for train. Train and train.
I am here.
Me too.
Yesterday. Oh, good God. Hey, what are you doing?
Wait. He's Sadawa. He's my boyfriend.
Wait.
Get away!
Train. Naoya's left behind. Naoya's had a shallow love to Sadako. It couldn't be back to him. If you meet beautiful guy or lady in the train, you should be careful to fall in love. Thank you.